Hi friends! In today's tutorial we are learning the shell stitch. It's gorgeous, fun-like texture that's super easy and perfect for projects like blankets or shawls. I'm using lightweight yarn and 4mm hook. Let's get started. For this stitch, chain is multiple of 6. Then add 2 extra chains at the end. I will chain 26 for the sample. This step is optional, but a single crochet row gives your shell a clean base. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This counts as our first double crochet. Turn your work and make another 2 double crochets in the first stitch. Then skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and a single crochet in the next stitch. Skip another 2 stitches, 1, 2, and work 5 double crochets in the next stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's the shell stitch. Then skip 2 stitches again, 1, 2, and make a single crochet. Repeat shell and single crochet a few times across the row. End row with 3 double crochet stitches. And here we are working 3 double crochet in our last stitch. Our next row, we will chain 1 and turn the work. Chain 1 and turn our work. Our next shells will go in single crochet stitches from previous row. Make 1 single crochet in a first stitch. Then skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and make 5 double crochet in a single crochet stitch from previous row. And then skip another 2 stitches, 1, 2, make a single crochet, skip another 2 stitches, 1, 2, and make another shell stitch into the single crochet from previous row. skip another 2 stitches, 1, 2, single crochet, and repeat till the end of the row. And at the end of the row, make a single crochet into the 3rd chain from previous row. And this is our shell stitch. It's perfect for soft texture and lacy designs. Like and subscribe for more stitch tutorials. See you next time.